In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I take frozen chicken nuggets and cook them in the air fryer, my tips and tricks so they turn out to crispy perfection and so delicious. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I make a lot of my family's favorite recipes, and I also do a lot of these simple cooking videos so my own kids can fend for themselves. If that's your jam, hit this red subscribe button. You and I can make a few recipes together a couple times a week. The great thing about using the air fryer to cook your chicken nuggets is that you don't need to thaw them and they cook really quickly. Nuggets tend to be smaller and thinner, about half an inch thick. They are different than chicken strips. Now, what you have on hand looks like these chicken strips right here. Make sure to watch another video that I'm gonna link for you. The time and temperature to cook chicken nuggets in the air fryer apply to your smaller nuggets. So first things first, you want to preheat your air fryer. If your air fryer has a preheat button, push that. If not, about 400 degrees for 5 minutes. The reason you always want to preheat your air fryer is so when you place your nuggets in there with a hot basket, they start cooking right away. This ensures that your nuggets turn out crispy and you don't have to spray them or do anything. So that tip always saves the day. If you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them in my videos for you. You know what else saves the day is these air fryer liners. You put them in your basket and in the food on top, making cleanup a breeze. So if you have kids or teens that are using the air fryer, I'm gonna link these below for you. Now that my air fryer is nice and hot, I'm going to place my chicken nuggets directly on the basket. As you can see, I have the tray in there. This allows the air to circulate in between the nuggets. It helps them get crispy on both sides. And as you can see, they're also placed in a single layer, no stacking, and there's space between each nugget so they all cook evenly all the way around. Let's close the basket and cook these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes until the tops are crispy. Look how beautiful they look. Let's remove them from the air fryer onto a plate, and these guys are ready. Crispy, delicious. And now they're ready to be served with your favorite sauce. Let me know in the comments what you like to dip your nuggets in, and if the air fryer is your thing, check out this next video. See you next time.